Okay, here we are on the corner of the other corner of the house, and we've had to remove a lot of stuff. You can see it wasn't too bad here. We had to replace that earlier. That's in a different video. You can see where we had to cut out this whole corner. That way we can put our 2x8 across here and start building it out. Even this board's going to have to go. That one's good, so we're going to use all the rest from here back are good. We're going to start building on them. And we put another pier underneath. So what we're doing is, to get support, we're sandwiching the boards. And you can see we're going all the way down through, trying to mismatch joints to give us really strong support for the floor. And we're putting more piers in. We're using our old jack to get things back up. We did have to put in supports here to hold the architectural up there. The roof is held by those supports. And you can see how bad this is. We're going to remove all this all the way back into there. So we have a lot of work to do, but we need to start building this corner so we can put supports back in before we go further.